Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Proton mail login problems, encryption and access errors step by step clearly. First, check Proton's status page to confirm there is no ongoing outage affecting login or encryption services. Next, verify you are using the official address by typing https://mail.proton.me directly into your browser. Then, confirm your internet connection is stable by opening 2 or 3 other secure websites in new tabs. After that, switch to a different browser to rule out a browser-specific issue with Proton Mail. Now, clear cache and cookies for Proton sites in your browser settings and restart the browser completely. Next, disable all browser extensions temporarily, especially ad blockers, script blockers, and privacy tools. Then, try opening Proton Mail in a private or incognito window to test a clean session quickly. After that, make sure your device date, time, and time zone are set to automatic and are correct. Next, update your browser to the latest version because outdated TLS support can trigger encryption errors. Then, update your operating system to ensure your device has current security certificates and crypto libraries. Now, if you use a VPN or proxy, turn it off and try again because some IP ranges are blocked. Next, if you are on a workplace or school network, switch to mobile data or a home network to bypass firewall filtering. Then, check that your antivirus or firewall is not doing HTTPS scanning, and disable Web Shield features temporarily. After that, confirm your Proton username is correct and try typing it manually instead of using autofill. Next, retype your password carefully with caps lock off and your keyboard language set correctly. Then, use the forgot password flow only if you are sure you can complete recovery without losing access to encrypted data. Now, if you see a decryption failed or encryption error message, log out fully and log back in to refresh keys. Next, open account settings and verify your recovery email and phone are up to date for safe access restoration. Then, check whether two-factor authentication is enabled and ensure your Authenticator app timesync is correct. After that, if you lost 2FA access, use your saved recovery codes to sign in and regenerate new ones immediately. Next, if Proton asks to verify a session, approve it only on devices you trust and recognize. Then, remove unknown sessions from the security section to prevent repeated access errors and forced logouts. Now, if the page keeps looping or staying blank, disable hardware acceleration in browser settings and reload. Next, flush your DNS or switch DNS to a trusted provider like Cloudflare or Google to fix routing-related access problems. Then, try the Proton Mail mobile app and update it, because the app can confirm whether the account itself. After that, check your mailbox storage and account status, because suspended or limited accounts can show login restrictions. Next, take a screenshot of the exact error text and note the time, browser, and network for accurate troubleshooting. Then, contact Proton support with those details and avoid sharing your password, 2FA codes, or recovery phrase with anyone. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.